back. Now let's try problem 2.9. Solve 6 times bracket 4 minus 2, 7y minus 1 equals 8 times parenthesis 13 minus 8y. Notice you need to simplify the left, simplify the right. Look at the left hand side closely. It is very tempting to subtract 4 minus 2, but that's incorrect because that 2 is multiplying something. Multiplication takes precedence over subtraction. So this multiplication has to be undertaken first. Remember, 2 comes with its own sign, negative 2. Negative 2 times 7y is negative 14y. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Right hand side, I haven't changed at all. Now, 4 and 2, these are constants. There is no variable. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Minus 14y, negative 14y, I have written like this. Right hand side, no change. At this point, I can distribute multiplication by 6. 6 times negative 14y is negative 84y. 6 times positive 6 is positive 36. Here, 8 times 13 is 104. 8 times negative 8y is negative 64y. Now, I have a y term here and a y term here, so I'm getting rid of the smaller looking y term, smaller magnitude, adding 64y to both sides. Negative 84y plus 64y is negative 20y. Plus 36 plus 104 here, these cancel. At this point, negative 20y plus 36 is 104, so subtract 36 from both sides. 104 minus 36 is 68. These two cancel, you are left with negative 20y. Divide both sides by negative 20. That gets you, these two cancel, y equals negative. Upon reduction, notice 4 divides both, 71 over 5. So that is your solution, but don't forget to check. How do you check? Wherever you see y, you replace it by parenthesis negative 17 over 5. Okay, and now starts checking. This is a bit tedious. When you simplify the left hand side, notice parenthesis first, innermost parenthesis. This multiplication, positive 7 times negative 17 over 5 is negative 119 over 5. Okay, negative 8 times negative 17 over 5 is positive 136 over 5. Now, that's negative 119 over 5. I'm going to get a common denominator here, so I'm writing it as 5 over 5. Combine both these. Notice they are both negatives. Common denominator 5, 119 and 5, 124, both negative. Now here, common denominator I want is 5. So 13 is rewritten as 65 over 5. Coming down, this multiplication now takes precedence, right? This times this is positive. 2 times 124 is 248 over 5. Here, you already have common denominators, so you can simply add them up to get 201. Here, I need a common denominator, so 4 is rewritten as 20 over 5. I'm going to check whether 8 times 201 over 5, that is 1608 over 5. Is that equal to, common denominator here, 268 over 5 multiplied by 6. So 6 multiplies the numerator. 1608 over 5 is indeed equal to 1608 over 5. Y equals negative 17 over 5 is the solution. Let's try next problem. 12 times bracket 1 minus 5, 4z minus 1 equals 3 times 24 plus 11z. Notice, again, it's tempting to subtract, but don't, because 5 here is multiplying. Multiplication takes precedence. Negative 5 times 4, z is negative 20z. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. Here, 3 distributes 72 plus 33z. 1 plus 5 is a 6. positive 6, negative 20z here and 12 outside. Distribute the 12, negative 240z plus 72. 72 plus 33z. So subtract the 33z from both sides. That gets me negative 273z plus 72 equals 72. Subtract the 72 from both sides. They cancel to give me 0. They cancel to give me nothing. Negative 273z. Divide both sides by negative 273. 0 over anything non-zero is 0. These two cancel. Z equals 0. Don't just stop here. Please check. Wherever you find Z, replace it by parenthesis 0. Okay. So now you are multiplying. Parenthesis here means multiplication. 4 times 0 is 0. 11 times 0 is 0. Aha. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 1. Notice how everything else is as it is. 24 plus 0 is 24. 3 times 24 is 72. Right hand side has been simplified to 72. 1 plus 5 is a 6. 72 is 72. So Z equals 0 is a solution. This completes our lesson. We will continue with new lesson in our next video. Until then,